VW is going to sponsor you. VW is going to sponsor you.
Yeah.
I wish I can tell.
Tabali jwalo monna modimo, tabali jwalo.
Detective.
Tabali jwalo ngwanyano a thushege. Wo a thushege ene wo a thushege ka nnete mara se se go ne ntongwe se tshwai gona le ntongwe se tshwai bolele ye tlo mo thusha gona le batho ba ba nyaka o mo tsentshang ka re ga pleke wrong seso ke bona ba nyaka o mo latlha ga ntlo wa bona ntlonyane nyane ene ge re ka se mo thushe yena o tlo ba famous at some point modimo tlo mo dia ra be famous mara this lady ke bona ba nyaka o mo tlhakatlhakantse ja bophelo wa ngwa ke re sese
Amen.
Tebogo ke mang?
Okay.
Tebogo ke mang? Tebogo ke mang? Be careful of Tebogo, ne?
Detective Professor Major.
Wa ngwa sese
Ke lekwa.
o tlhokomele Tebogo mind wa gage wa go rata mara Tebogo o na le mathata a mantši a e le gore go na le di-spirits tse e le gore di a mo forca ebile di a mo pusha gore a feleletse a e ba ka re ga a position ya go tsentšha ka re ga molete wena future gago ke e botse modimo o nyaka go fa morago modimo o nyaka go phagamiša mara ke bontši wa ntlwana and wena ge re ka se go rapelele ra go fa direction ya gore o tsamaye ka line ya go nyaka modimo wena o tlo rwala wena o tlo ba famous mara o tlo ba o dile dilo gape nna ke go botsa ntho e le gore a se ra o e tsebe go na le batho ba ba nyakang go fa dilo gore o phagame ngwana ge šobolela le nna o se ka nti.
Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to share this video. That was an most recent TikTok live of Prophet Titus, whereby Queen Tech was given a prophecy there. So Queen Tech was on Prophet Titus's TikTok live before her tragic passing. And she was given a prophecy by one of the men of God Titus had invited onto her TikTok account. Now she was given a stern warning about a friend by the name of Deborah. The prophet said that he sees Deborah, this friend, being influenced by evil spirits to do bad thing to Queen Tech, who is now laid. He said the friend does rather love her, but won't be able to resist being used by those evil spirits to destroy her, you guys. He said that Queen Tech should be very careful and that people should pray for her and her success at the time. He even hinted that death is coming at her very soon, and it was a very chilling and scary prophecy. And days after the prophecy, you guys, we hear the unfortunate tragic passing of Queen Tech, who was only 22 years old. You know, she died in a horrific car accident, you guys. Now, people have been, bringing this prophecy up, saying that the prophet definitely knew what he was talking about. They were saying that the friend is actually the one who had sacrificed Queen Tech because she was influenced by these evil spirits. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video, and of course do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. We are sending, of course, our deepest and sincere condolences to her family, and may her soul rest in peace.